If your no-bake cheesecake has ever turned into a soft mess the second you slice it, this one won't. Today we're making a blueberry no-bake cheesecake that cuts clean, tastes like summer, and has a glossy blueberry top that looks straight out of a bakery. And the twist, a salty sweet pretzel pistachio crust, plus a blueberry ripple with a tiny hint of rosemary and balsamic for real depth. For the full written recipe and measurements, check the link in the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com. Here's what you need: cream cheese, mascarpone, whipped cream, Greek yogurt, blueberries, lemon, pretzels, pistachios, and a little unflavored gelatin, just enough to make this cheesecake stable without turning it rubbery. Start by lining the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with parchment. This makes serving so much cleaner later, especially if you want those picture-perfect slices. This crust is everything: pretzel crumbs, chopped pistachios, brown sugar, lemon zest, then drizzle in melted butter and mix until it looks like evenly moistened sand. Press it down firmly. This is the trick for neat slices. Then pop the pan in the fridge for about 20 minutes while we make that blueberry ripple. In a small saucepan, cook blueberries with sugar, lemon juice, a teaspoon of balsamic, and 1 rosemary sprig. After 6 to 8 minutes, the berries burst and turn glossy and deep purple. Stir in a quick cornstarch slurry and cook for under a minute, just until it thickens. Then remove the rosemary sprig and let the ripple cool to room temp so it doesn't melt the cheesecake. Now the secret to that sliceable texture: bloom unflavored gelatin in cold water for 5 minutes, then microwave it just a few seconds until it turns liquid. You want it melted, not boiling. Whip cold heavy cream to medium peaks, not stiff. Medium peaks keep the filling light and creamy, but still strong enough to hold its shape. Beat room temp cream cheese with mascarpone until smooth. Add powdered sugar, Greek yogurt, vanilla, salt, and lemon zest, then mix just until silky. We're building flavor, but we're not overworking it. Stream in the melted gelatin with the mixer on low just a few seconds. Then fold in the whipped cream into additions. You're aiming for a mousse-like filling that looks fluffy, smooth, and spoonable. Spread most of the filling over the crust. Dollop the blueberry ripple, add the rest of the filling, then swirl. Keep it light, just a few figure eights. Over swirling turns the whole thing purple, and you'll lose those gorgeous ribbons. For the glossy blueberry top, bloom a little more gelatin. Warm blueberry juice with sugar, dissolve the gelatin, and let it cool slightly, then pour. Chill at least 6 hours. Overnight is best. Slice with a hot knife, wipe between cuts, and look at those clean layers. If you make this, I'd love to hear how it turns out. And for all the exact measurements, tips, and troubleshooting, grab the recipe link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.